me, Cameron Lee again. And I'm here at the Walmart neighborhood. Not yet, Dad. So that's why they got a new Murray Hyper Tough. Not yet, almost. And there's a Hyper Tough, 30-inch. It works. It works. And just look like that one. That one. Hyper Tough. It's very 30-inch. Still out of the box. So I'm on almost done, Dad. So this will be a little shortly. So this is why they got a box of new Murrays. The bag ones are here, and so I'm afraid they have more boxes. So this is a very short one. That don't ask me to turn on the video side yet, okay?
Alright, head off.
No.
There you go.
So that's why they got mini Murray snappers. Look back here. On the bags, around, that's the Honda, the Snapper, Murray, and boxes. Of course, one's red. I ate it. One's are right there, and you can see more on the other side. So, anyway, and they got the 30-inch, of course, and also, we got Murray. So exciting to see it. So I put an old, and I didn't put an old. Got a little. So it's got a little more Murrays. Bigger ones, very big. This one's the incher one. So anyway, yeah, goodbye.